Hello, this is Peter from Man King Homestead. Today's Saturday. It was in the 30s today with a mix of sun and clouds and a few occasional flurries. They just updated the lake effect snow warning for tonight and tomorrow. We're supposed to have 5 to 9 inches of snow with localized amounts of 12 inches and winds of up to 40 miles an hour. And it looks like this is going to be our last storm for this month. I sure hope it's the last one for the season. I had to do some shoveling today. I got an Instacart order from Aldi's, and I knew there was one area I won't be able to pull my grill cart through. So I got the snow shoveled out of there, and then the rest of it I was able to get through without too much of a problem. I did go through the snow a couple places, and even though there wasn't a huge drop there, if anyone's familiar when you've got back issues, just that 2 or 3 inch sudden drop can jar your back pretty good. But I didn't get hurt, it jarred me. It kind of sore for a few minutes. But I'm feeling better now. When I came back in, I took some acetaminophen, so I think I'm going to be okay with that. One thing I got my Aldi's ordered today was bagels. Boy, it's nice to have a toasted bagel again. I've been eating a few bagels untoasted. Since my generator went down, I didn't have any way to toast them. But I haven't been eating too many because they're just not the same, not toasted. And that was the first thing I did when I brought my groceries in, is I threw a bagel in my air fryer, and that was good. They let me get 1 case of water without paying the heavy weight fee, so I got 1 case of water. So I've got 3 cases of water on hand now, plus the case I'm using on. So I should be good on water for a little bit. When I was bringing my groceries in, the cats were all either sleeping or they were relaxed. They weren't near the door trying to get out or anything. So I brought in 2 bags, had to go outside about 10 feet away from the door to get the last bag. So I just left the door open. Well, here comes Earl running. I told him not to come in, but before I could get back to the door, Earl's going up the steps. He's going to come right in my camper. I don't know why he decided he wanted to be a house chicken today. Well, I had to get him and guide him the right direction to keep him outside. All my chickens are very friendly right now. They're always following me around. I can reach down and pet them, and they keep getting under my feet, and I have to ask them to get out of the way so I can walk through. I just wish they'd stay like that all summer, because they were like that last winter, last spring, and during the summer, I can't really say they went wild, but they didn't really want me walking right up to them. They would come up to me, but I couldn't go up to them. Well, it'd be nice if they did stay this friendly all summer. I watched L-Shape's 24-hour live. It started at 8:30 my time yesterday morning. I was still at physical therapy, just finishing up there. So I started watching it there and watched that right straight through all day, all night. And it ended about 9 o'clock this morning. He actually went a little bit over 24 hours. I did good. I fell asleep a few times for 5 or 10 minutes at a time. I think one time I might have slept close to a half hour. But for the most part, I was up for the entire thing. He gave out prizes all during his live. He had a lot of stuff donated that he gave away. And I finally won something about 23 hours into the live. So it was worth staying awake for 24 hours. Actually a little longer than 24 hours, because I'd already been up 3 hours when it started yesterday morning, but it was worth it. I made some connections, so I was up to 760 subscribers. They knocked me back a little bit. I think I'm at 758 now. Don't forget my Sunday live tomorrow at 6:30 Eastern. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to use my laptop so I can use StreamYard and have people up on panel, because that's still giving me issues. It's wore out is what the problem is. But I tried resetting it, erasing some stuff off it, try to get it to work better, but it's still not working too great. But I definitely will be able to do my live because I've got my phone and I got the generator so I can have everything charged up. I'll have lights tomorrow night, so it should be a good time. I'll let you watch the rest of the video now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Please like my video, and please continue watching. That's it for today. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Have a good one.